Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Soul Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and center console, full with covered storage. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.